My name is Baishaki, and I have my from my education. I am a microbiologist, and in the from the career prospect, I have been working in the healthcare market research industry for the last 16 years. So, what attracted me to career counseling is that I observed that I have been giving good advices to my friends and families, and which were really helpful to them. And they have sometimes come back and told me that, yeah, I mean, my advice was it was useful for them. So from that, I got an idea that yeah, I can be helpful to people, and especially into career counseling because. Children of this age from the grade 9 to 12, they are quite they have diverse options now, so they are quite confused. So at this age, if we guide them as career counselors, it will be really helpful for them. So that's the reason I am into career counseling, and I feel that I can help them. So actually, there is a small story behind it. My son he is currently in eighth grade. Yeah. So from from this age and from 8th to 12th, this age group, they are very confused. And the same thing is I observed in my son. So whenever I used to ask, what do you want to become? Sometimes he wants to become a doctor, or sometime an astronaut, or sometime an engineer, or something like that. So he was pretty confused. So I thought, charity begins at home. So let me help my son and take up this career counseling thing so that I can help my son, give him better understanding of what he wants, and like help him choose the correct career path which he is passionate about. So same thing, while in the same thought process, I thought, why not help other kids as well? So that is the reason and the inspiration behind coming up or choosing career counseling as a profession, so that I can help many students who are in that age bracket of 9 to 12 grade. Right. So when I decided to become a career counselor, I was looking for people who can help me get certified. So while during that process, I founded Infigon. I came across their ad, and what was different here was that they not only do the course, they will handhold to set up the business. They will create a website, and they will do all the support system. They will help us to set up the business. So that was very different, which I felt from other career counseling courses which people offer. So this was very different in Infigon, and yeah, so that's the reason I chose Infigon. Yeah, so once I took up the course, then I was under Lakshmi ma'am, and she was very patient with all the questions, and she had good knowledge about the subject, and she taught us really well, and we was very patient with the case studies, and we were discussing. So it was a more of case study based like approach to make us understand things. That was very good. And yeah, she was very patient with our questions, with our silly questions sometimes. So yeah, that was really good from her end, and we enjoyed the classes. We learned practically as well from the case studies. So that was really different, and I thank Lakshmi ma'am for that. They were their a case study based approach towards making us understanding the process and things like that. That was very good, because in these days it is all about practical knowledge, right? Their psychometric test that they are providing, making us understand how it works, and helping and then how it will impact the children, and how it will the reports will come, how to read the reports. This kind of things was very helpful. And apart from that, the major thing was not only living at that age, at that stage, like after the course, after the certification, the journey begins here. So they're they tied up with us, and they helped us at every step. They supported us at every step to set up the business. They handhold us, and whichever problem we are facing, they are ready to discuss. They have different multiple sessions at during various times. You can attend those sessions and clear out your doubts. So yeah, overall it was a holistic approach, and very helpful. Yeah, overall experience was really good. It was a holistic approach that they had. They taught us how the website will be, how you can navigate through the website and understand the product. and their psychometric test, understanding of their psychometric test, that was based on case studies, different case studies they had discussed with us, so that we can, when we actually approach the real person, we can, it can be helpful for us. So that was very good. And apart from that, they provided us the business kit where it was, everything was available, the reading materials were available, the how do we create the social media platforms, this guidance on those things. So everything was very helpful, and they are provided each and every details which is required. I feel that the psychometric test, of course, they are prepared by the psychologists, so they are the, and they are really good and to the point, and like they exactly understand, they extract out the information that is required from the student. So that's really good. And like what we need from the course, so they had tried to understand our need as well, and they told us that what are the requirement, what we need to do. At every step they had guided. So yeah, it was good. Every step they had guided us, so it was pretty smooth, and it was very helpful, and they were very collaborative. So as I said, from my home only, I wanted to help my son, and from that I got an idea. Why not I help the kid of that age group from the grade 9 to 12. They are quite confused because nowadays, in our age, there were limited number of career options, but now there are so many options, career options. So to choose the perfect career option, it is quite a task, and they need guidance here. So that's what I feel that a career counselor can help. So they can pitch in there and help the student to understand what are their strengths, weaknesses, and accordingly choose their career, understand their passion, and choose a career which is appropriate as per their passions as well, so that in the long run they can be like passionate about their work, and they can be productive, and in turn help the nation as well. So you are not only helping the kids, you are helping the nation to grow as well, because these kids are nation's future. So this is my inspiration of being a career counselor. So some of the major challenges is the Indian mentality of the parents. So there is a clash between the parents' thought process and the kids who are, influenced by the multiple options that they have. So to create a balance between them, understanding their parents' aspect as well, and to understand the student aspect as well. So coming to a common point so that it can be, win-win for both of them. And wherever, if the parent are wrong, then the counseling is required for them as well, to open their mind and be open to what the options that they have today. So yeah, that is quite a challenge. And since nowadays there is a huge number of career options, so many parents doesn't know the career options, and the student as well doesn't know the career options. So that is a challenge. To make them aware is a big thing, to make them aware of the different options that they have. It's a it's a task, and that's our work. So what that's we should be doing properly, so that they understand their passion and they work towards it, right? They choose the correct career. So yeah, though I feel those are the challenges that we face as a career counselor. So I would advise all the parents and even the children to come to a counselor with an open mind. I feel that they should come to a counselor, whenever they should come to a counselor, they should have an open mind, so that they understand the things that they are telling. They should be open to the other career options, multiple career options that are available in today. So it should not be closed mind that if I am an engineer, my son has to be an engineer, my daughter has to be a doctor. That mindset should change. So that is my advice to the parents specifically. And to the students, I would say that you should not be stubborn with the new career options. You should also be open to the traditional career options. It's just that you have to find your strengths and weaknesses, passion, and accordingly choose. So one should come with an open mind. That's very, very important. So for once they come to us, the first thing is that we will have an interaction session. We will understand what they want, what they are looking for, what is their passion, and things like that, by simply conversing with them, with the parents as well, so that we understand the parents' thought process as well. So that's very important. The counseling session is very important. So we take notes from there, and we understand what is the current situation, and from where we have to take them, and what thought process we have to tell them. Choosing is their option, right? So From there, then we will ask them to take the psychometric test, and once they take the psychometric test, the report will be coming out, and then we will have another session with them so that we have the psychometric test, and we will explain them the report, and then ask them to choose the different career option as per their passion. Now they know their strengths, weaknesses, everything. So we will ask them to choose their career options, and once they come up with the career option, they have the, of course, they have the access to the career library which Infigon has provided. So once they choose that options, we will again sit with them and discuss that pros and cons of every options, so they take an informed decision. That's very important in today's world, to take an informed decision. So before choosing a career, they should know what are their strengths, weaknesses, passions, everything like that, and make an informed decision and choose a career which is very appropriate to their, in line with their passion and strengths and weaknesses. In the long run, it will be very helpful. So they can reach out to me over my website Career Convo, and my phone number will be available there, and through social media pages. Definitely, I would recommend Infigon career option, Infigon career counseling option that we have, because they not only just do the certification and say, okay, that you take care, but they help. Their help begins from there. So they help us to set up the website. They help us and guide at every step wherever we are lacking. If we are not able to create a social media platforms, or the different other aspects of it, or we are facing some question from the parents, or if we are approaching a school, we are facing some questions, so they'll help us in every aspect. So yeah, definitely I'll recommend Infigon Futures for career counseling.